There was an interesting phenomenon in Ikorodu Constituency 2's political sphere yesterday, 24th of April 2022, as the traditionalists comprising of Oshugbo, Awopa, Igunuko, and Jigbo worshippers across Ijede and Egmin town came out in full forces, urging the politicians and people of Ijede LCDA to do everything possible within the provision of the agreement to ensure that the rotation arrangement for the Constituency 2 Lagos State House of Assembly seat is honored and legitimate indigene of Ijede LCDA represent the constituency for another 2 political dispensation. The traditionalists also invoked spirits, laying curses on any party leaders or politicians from Ijede LCDA that may support third-term agenda or any non-Ijede LCDA indigene that is contesting for the seat.
Assembly 2023.
The chiefs in attendance were the chiefs from both Ijede town and Egmin town. From Ijede, Lisa of Ijede, Aro of Ijede, Odofin of Ijede, Ajano of Ijede, Iyagon of Ijede, and all the community's traditional heads. From Egmin, Lisa of Egmin town, representing the king, the Obateru of Egmin Royal Kingdom, Oluwo of Egmin town, Erelu of Egmin town, Aro of Egmin town, Onimale of Egmin town, Lakmini of Egmin town, and all the community's traditional heads.